Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a quick unboxing of a new product from Frey, and this is going to be their shampoo line. Now if you go on their website, if you go on their social media, you'll see an offer. Basically it's $1 to try the sample. Just like when we paid $1 to try the laundry detergents, you got the 2 bottles. They're sending you all 3 of their shampoo scents for only $1. I hope that they eventually do it with a kit to try everything, like the body wash and the conditioner, because that would be great to try. These are actually great for a Adopt kit. So when you open it up, guys, here's what you're going to see here. It says better scent, better formulation, better impact. Frey just got personal care, and you got a little card here. You know how to use your samples, checking them out and stuff like that. Thing about this though, same as when you do the laundry detergent, by agreeing to this and getting this, you're agreeing to getting basically to pay for all of the products, and they're going to ship it to you 18 days after you place your order. So guys, make sure if you don't want anything to, once I even signed up, I went right on and just you got to do it individually. It's not just like, I don't want anything. You have to go individually and take the conditioner off, the shampoo off, the body wash off, and all the other stuff. You have to do it individually. So make sure you guys do that. Otherwise, they're going to charge you and you're going to get stuff in the mail if you don't want it. Okay, so here are the 3 scents. Nice packaging. I mean, they're paraben free, sulfate free, and phthalate free. I'm not sure how to say that. And under each one, this is smell me first, no smell me, definitely me. And these are actually a really good size. These are 2 ounces a piece. That's pretty good. Like I said, these would be great to put in a Adopt kit for traveling and stuff like that. Definitely, pretty cool, and definitely would recommend checking them out. So let's check it out here. First one we've got is a Jasmine Rose White Cedar. Smells fantastic. Up next we have Cedarwood, Oak Moss, and Amber. That's going to be the black one. And then finally the blue is Sandalwood, Bergamot, and Clove. So those are the 3 scents that they have. They all smell fantastic. I think Cedarwood, Oak Moss is more of the smell of the laundry detergent. If you really like the laundry detergent scent, that's a great one to go with. But I would recommend doing this for $1 and getting them so you can try the scents and see which scent you like. It's kind of tough to pick a scent when you can't really smell it. You order it, and if you don't like it, you're kind of stuck with it. What are my thoughts on it? I have tried all 3 of them. I think these are fantastic. I just had done a video on how the laundry detergent that they sent in the sample boxes were amazing, and then the actual products themselves were crappy compared to them, and I did a test to see that. But these are really good. I hope it's not going to be the same thing where these are excellent and the real products in the bigger bottles are kind of junkier. So I'm definitely going to order one of the shampoos and try that out and see, because I actually really enjoyed it. My favorite was the Cedarwood, Oak Moss, Amber, the black one, which is the like I said, smells more like the laundry detergent than anything. But I'm gonna order a full size of that because I really enjoyed the scent of that. I really liked it. I'm going to check it out and see if they have it in the body wash. I'm not sure what scents they had in the body wash, but I'm going to try those out and just give them a go, because it's a really great scent. The shampoo was great. It didn't dry your scalp out, and it smelled really good, and the scent stayed for a while. So these are pretty good products, all 3 of them. So I'm going to give them 2 thumbs up on that. Like I said, if you guys want to just try them, you can't beat it for $1. You're getting shampoos. You can get a couple uses out of each one of these. I mean, they're 2 ounces, so I mean, you're getting probably get almost a week's worth out of each one, which is pretty good. So definitely check them out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you tried them yet, if you like them, which one is your favorite, and let me know if you guys have gotten the full size of them yet, if it holds up to the samples. So like I said, guys, the next video I'll do with these is I'm going to get the full size, and we'll check it out and see if the scent is still there compared to the sample. But this was definitely a great idea for Frey. They've been around for a while now, and everybody loves the laundry detergent. Everybody loves the scent of it, and everybody, but they always say don't wash your body with it. It's for your laundry. So they got smart finally and came out with their own care line with like I said, they have body wash and shampoos. They got conditioner, and there's a bunch of other stuff they have as well, guys. So definitely going to check out some of the products, and hopefully they're better than the laundry detergent, better formulas. So if they work good, I mean, it's worth they're a little bit more expensive, but they're more of a premium, and if they work good, to me it'd be worth the money. If the scent is there and it stays like it's supposed to, then it would be definitely worth the money. And the ease of ordering, you can just get stuff when you want it, how much you want it, whenever you want it, which is pretty convenient if it's a good product. So guys, let me know what you think down in the comments, and as always, like and subscribe.